Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hello,
Good
Adit.
evening.
Good
Yes,
evening.
good evening.
Would you mind turning on your camera?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, Aditya. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay. So, Aditya, what's your full name?
Ma'am, Aditya Anand Shukla.
Aditya Anand Shukla. And where are you from, Aditya?
Ma'am, Lucknow.
Lucknow,
Yes, ma'am.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes,
Can you tell me something about Lucknow? Although I know.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Lucknow, there is ma'am, some famous things in Lucknow, ma'am, of chicken work
And
and ma'am, historical places like ma'am, Bada Imam Bada.
okay, I know about one Bhool Bhulaiya. Is it there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhool Bhulaiya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me something about what it is about?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me something about that monument?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I never go there.
You have never visited there.
No, ma'am.
Have you heard that name?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you literally know the meaning of Bhul Bhulaiya.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, it is Bhul Bhulaiya, ma'am.
Try to explain. Just try to explain.
Ma'am, all things, ma'am, are same like. Ma'am, it types of a illusion, ma'am.
Yes, exact word. It's an illusion. Correct. So Aditya, you are in which grade? Which class?
Ma'am, seventh.
Seventh grade. And which school?
Ma'am, Christchurch College in Hazratganj.
Okay. So you are born and brought up in Lucknow.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It's a beautiful place indeed.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a beautiful place.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you assuring me that yes, it is a beautiful place?
No, ma'am, it is only such a ma'am. It is all a beautiful place, ma'am.
Yes. And have you visited any place apart from Lucknow?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me which places you have visited in India or outside India?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have visited in India only.
Okay, what are those places?
Ma'am, only ma'am, I visited ma'am Jammu Kashmir and the whole south, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Jammu Kashmir, South, Odisha, and ma'am Mumbai.
Okay, so you have traveled pretty well.
Yes, ma'am.
And whom do you travel with?
Ma'am, my parents.
Your parents. So your parents are very fond of traveling,
Yes, ma'am.
and so you are.
Yes.
That's great. Aditya, I'm sharing my screen with you. Just confirm to me that whether it's visible to you or not.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
We will do one. I will show you one picture to you and certain questions. Just go through that picture and certain questions from there.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second. The screen is visible to you.
No, no, ma'am.
It will take some certain few seconds. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so I will just put it in full screen for you so that you can view it more perfectly. Do you watch cartoons?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
Ma'am, I don't like this.
You won't believe I still watch cartoons.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is a picture of a ogre. You know who is ogre?
No, ma'am.
It's a sort of devil, rakshas.
Ma'am.
Okay. So when we see someone, we typically judge them, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
On their appearance, how they look.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
when we talk to them and we get to know something about them, then our
Yes,
perception changes, correct?
yes, ma'am.
So this picture is somewhere or the other based on that. He is
Yes,
a devil. He's a devil, known as Ogre, and the you can see the two boys. Sorry, one girl and a boy
yes, ma'am.
sitting here
Yes, yes,
hiding. The picture at first sight looks like as if devil is going to harm them.
yes, ma'am.
All right, but when you see the picture more minutely, you will observe that it is not the case. So now you observe the picture first, then read the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Okay, ma'am.
just see the picture and judge, or not exactly judge, but observe.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. I'm observing. Ma'am, can you? Yes, ma'am.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question is, what is the ogre doing and why?
Ma'am, he was seeing a flower.
He is seeing a flower and what it seems like
Ma'am, a golden flower.
golden flower, correct? What is he holding?
Ma'am, a fork and ma'am, a kettle.
Uh,
Ma'am, plant showering.
yes, plant showering kettle, we can say that. So what makes you think? What is there in your mind? What is he going to do? Is he going to plug the plant or is he going to water the plant?
Ma'am, he is watering the plant.
He is watering the plant. Okay, so positive perspective. And what will he do with this knife sort of equipment?
Ma'am, he will plug out.
So negative.
Ma'am, first he will grow the plant and ma'am, then he will plug out.
Okay. And the next question is, why is there a light over the flower? You can make answers on your own, with your own creativity and imagination.
Ma'am, the flower has own light.
Okay, nice. So, do you think the flower is shining or glowing?
Yes, ma'am, I'm glowing.
Very good. And as you have said, as you have already said, that this water is glowing, and you said no that it's. You just use one word, very nice word, just before this answer. That it's golden in color, or it's throwing golden color, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So, do you think that the flower is magical?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so it's magical. Would you like to give some magics to this plant?
No, ma'am.
No. It seems like you're turning into an ogre character, all ready to pluck him out. Come on, use your creativity and give this plant a magic,
Okay, ma'am.
which will be beneficial for you.
Ma'am, he can glow up. Ma'am, he is glowing. Ma'am, he is throwing out the lights, ma'am.
He's throwing lights on him.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can say that this plant is magical and it has some magical powers, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, say for example, you suppose that this plant has a magical power which is very helpful for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Which magic will be helpful for you? A
Ma'am,
magic,
from this flower.
yes, from this flower.
Ma'am, I think this magic, ma'am, or this magic is good, ma'am, because they are in jungle, ma'am, so they wants light to go out, ma'am. So this magic is perfect, ma'am.
Okay, say for example, I will give a magic to this flower for my benefit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will give a one magic to this flower. Whenever I pluck a petal, I will get a magic that whenever I'm taking classes or sessions, I can read my students' mind.
Yes,
So this way you have to give one magic to this class,
ma'am.
which will
Ma'am,
be helpful in your studies. Or
this ma'am, if I take a petal, ma'am, so I wants, ma'am, that I get, ma'am, the whole things in the world, ma'am. I wants to travel the one, ma'am. If I take one petal, ma'am, so I wants to travel one place.
so one petal means one place to visit.
Yes, ma'am. At that moment
At that
when I
moment.
take a petal.
That's nice. Even I want that magic. Okay. One tip for you is that never say I want. Okay. I always say that I want.
Okay, ma'am.
So what do you think is in the pouches on the ogre's bag strap? Here is the bag. Here is the bag on his shoulder.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think? What he could have in this bag?
Ma'am, some type of poison.
Poison?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is
Ma'am, devils have, ma'am, many ideas, ma'am. They can keep anything.
they can keep anything, right? And what do you think? Ogre is keeping poison what for?
Ma'am, ma'am, to protect him.
To protect him. Even I had this thing in my mind. To
Yes,
protect himself, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Not every time we keep any equipment to harm somebody. We keep for self defense also.
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. So, what are the children doing in the dense forest? You can see a boy and a girl
Yes, ma'am.
hiding and peeping out.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you think? What they are doing? Observe the things around them.
Ma'am, they are scared of him, ma'am. So they are scared, and ma'am, they are going to hide, ma'am. They are hiding.
They are hiding because they are afraid of ogre.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of devils or bhoot?
Yes, ma'am.
Even I am scared of. Do you watch horror movies?
Yes, ma'am. I love that. But ma'am, I am very scared. But ma'am, I love because ma'am, there's some blockbustings,
Blockbustings.
fighting. Yes, ma'am. A fighting scene, ma'am, and horroring, but and much more.
So you love that scary scenes,
Yes, ma'am.
which gives you goosebumps.
Yes, ma'am.
My God, I cannot tolerate it. Even I like it, but the moment you switch off that movie, it feels like if somebody is standing after
Yes,
me
ma'am.
or somebody is haunting me. So I completely avoid it. I cannot tolerate
Ma'am,
that.
that's why, ma'am, I watch movie with my brother, ma'am, or my friends.
So your brother is elder to you? Sorry, elder to you or younger to you?
I'm younger.
And you
Ma'am, he doesn't scares about like ma'am ghosts, but me, ma'am, the most.
he is not scared from
Yes,
ghosts, but I am scared of
yes,
ghosts.
ma'am.
Okay, so that's nice. So he's your horror partner.
Yes, ma'am.
So now next question is: do you think the ogre is friendly or hostile? Do you know the meaning of hostile?
No, ma'am.
Hostile means to kidnap somebody. Okay. So what do you think? If in the next scene ogre sees these two kids, he's going to be friendly with them or going to kidnap him?
Ma'am, I think would be friendly, ma'am.
He will be friendly.
Yes, ma'am.
It doesn't he look scary to you?
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. He is cute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to give an ending to this story. Say for example, yes, give an ending to his story. What if he does a friendship with these boys and girls? All right, and what is he going to do next with them? Think of an ending. Your brother is peeping from there.
Yes,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Devang Dev.
Devang Dev. Nice name. Okay, now think of an ending.
okay, ma'am. ma'am, they will make a new life, ma'am, from a ma'am great ending, ma'am. They will make a new life, and ma'am, they will end with a great end.
ग्रेट एंडिंग.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप मैम आप सोचो जो कहानी बनाना है. ग्रेट एंडिंग बोल दिया, अब आप सोचते रहो. क्या
Ma'am,
एंडिंग बनाया?
I don't know, ma'am, because ma'am, I think but only ma'am this picture shows me, ma'am, what the question 1 to 5 gives me, but I don't know what is about question 6, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you my ending. Then you will get a clue.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Say I will end this picture like this, that Ogre takes this boy and a girl to his home, and his home is a magical home where when people enter at the age of say for 5 years, and when they come out they become a girl or a boy of 15 years. Suddenly they jump to the 10 years. So this will be the ending. Now can you get a hint? Now can you give a ending?
Ma'am, they will take boy and girl to home, and ma'am, the boy and girl saw their parents, ma'am. They will saw their parents.
Now the parents will beat them. What were you doing in the forest at so night?
Ma'am,
Why?
they will say we were lost in the forest.
Yes, they can say we were lost in the forest. And we can get a clue about this. You know, when I said that observe what is around them, you can see a basket here.
Of flowers, ma'am.
Yes, they can say that we were plucking flowers and then we got lost.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you like to say gardening?
No, ma'am.
No,
I don't
not
like
at
it.
all. So, we will not do gardening. So, how do you spend your lockdown days?
Ma'am, to read books and ma'am to read books and ma'am playing games.
Playing games. And what school academic books you read, or any book apart
No, ma'am,
from?
storybooks. Ma'am, storybooks.
Which one is your favorite?
Ma'am, favorite. Ma'am, my favorite. Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, wait a second, ma'am. Can I brought that book?
Sure, no
Ma'am,
problem.
that book was written about ma'am from Shakespeare by Shakespeare, ma'am.
Shakespeare.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just quickly get that book.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What is the name of the book?
Yes, ma'am. The name, ma'am, four stories from Shakespeare.
Four stories from Shakespeare.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Ma'am, my
right.
favorite was The Merchant of Venice, ma'am.
The
Ma'am, I,
Merchant of Venice. Yes, I have
yes,
read that. I have read that. So can you quickly tell me that what is the story all about in 5 to
ma'am,
10?
ma'am, there were two friends, ma'am. One was very rich and one was very poor, ma'am. Ma'am, they love, ma'am, to people. Ma'am, they both love to trouble peoples, ma'am. Ma'am, one of them was Shylock and one of them was Antonio, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Shylock was a money leader. Ma'am, he was, ma'am, he had more money than Antonio, ma'am.
All right, all right. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have read that book, but you cannot
Yes,
recall the entire book right now.
yes, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. Okay. So Aditya, do you know there are different genres of books or different types of books we read? The one you are reading, it's a story book,
Yes,
correct?
yes, ma'am.
Just a second, I will share my screen. So it's a fiction story basically. You know, the story is not true. This is a made story by Shakespeare.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So imaginable stories which has been imagined and made or written by somebody out of their
Ma'am,
creative mind.
ma'am, from imagining, ma'am, I thought, ma'am, that was be Beauty and the Beast.
Sorry.
Ma'am, Beauty and the Beast.
No, I'm telling the stories which are not true, which are not real.
Ma'am, ma'am, the non-fictional movies of Sindbad, ma'am. Ma'am, it
Yes,
is true.
yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So stories which has happened in real, but
Yes, ma'am.
then put into words and made into a book, we call them a non-fiction. But
Yes,
what is a fiction stories? Where we plot a story, we plot a character, then we put our imagination into this, and then we make it more creative. Like the story which you are reading right now. So can you read this for me? The fiction and the non-fiction.
ma'am, fiction, ma'am, first refers to plot, settings, and characters created from the imaginations. We read or watch this material for fun. Example, a book about a cat that talks, a cartoon on TV. And ma'am, non-fiction refers to factual stories that are based on real people and true events. We read or watch this material for informations. Example, a book about animal life cycle, documentary on TV.
Okay. So anything which is real is non-fiction, which is unreal is
Fiction.
fiction. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So now these are the different subcategories we can say. The one is the realistic fiction. Historical means the Sindbad you are eating. It's historical. It has happened long time back.
Yes, ma'am.
Fantasy is like sort of very to say extremely imaginative. Similarly, we have science fiction. You know what is mystery?
Yes, ma'am.
Detective ones.
Yes, ma'am.
Your horror one is not here.
Hmm.
Your horror one comes under the category of fiction, correct? Because
Yes, ma'am.
everything is made. There are nothing like real ghost or
But ma'am,
something.
we can't say, ma'am, it is purely fiction, ma'am, because some things are non-fictions only. Ma'am, that ma'am movie and of Annabella, ma'am, it is real, ma'am. It is not fiction. This is
That
true.
about the doll movie?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is real, ma'am.
It is real.
Yes, ma'am.
Now don't scare me so that after the class I will think that Annabella is sitting behind me.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you know what's a biography?
Yes, ma'am.
Biography when a book is written on somebody,
Yes.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And a book which is written by the person himself. Suppose I write a book on myself, then that book will be called the autobiography.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, just the way say autograph means mine, so really autobiography means book about me. Now I will give you 3 4 exercises
Yes, ma'am.
and you have to put them into categories, whether it's a biography or autobiography or science fiction.
Okay, ma'am.
So just read from the starting till the end once quickly in your mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Such a
Done,
quick
ma'am.
reader you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to guess the genre. Can you read what is written in the black? This
Yes.
one?
When all the clues were examined, it was obvious that the mayor had a motive and did not have an alibi.
Alibi.
And what is this?
It's clue.
Alibi. Alibi. A mystery.
Correct. Next one.
As Miranda delivers the fresh bandages to makeshift hospitals following the Battle of Gettysburg, Gettysburg, so she Union Jack, deployed contributions, medical supplies. Ma'am, realistic fiction.
Let's see if that is correct. Historical. Sindbad. Next.
Mark Twain, boyhood friendship is in the South were the basis of his colorful character Huck Finn and Tom Sawyer. And what is fable?
Where do you find it?
Ma'am, at the third answer.
You can keep this out of the option because this was not mentioned earlier.
Ma'am, biography.
Think.
Ma'am, biography, I think, yes, ma'am.
Smart boy. Fable actually means when we say something about any truth events happening in our life. Okay?
Consider as trust and scarcity. Did given opportunity to work on the space program. Ma'am, autobiography.
Let's see. Wow. Very good. Well done.
The fairy sprinkle. Ma'am, it's fairy tale, ma'am.
This was super easy.
Yes, ma'am. When Jeff opened his eyes, he couldn't believe that he saw a daughter there was 10 years younger. Oh, he thought I'm really as adorable as toddler as mom said I was and parental issues. Ma'am, fairy tale, ma'am.
Mm, science fiction.
Ma'am, how, ma'am? He was, ma'am,
See, it said that when Jeff opened his eyes, he couldn't believe what he saw in the mirror. So we are talking about some fiction, imagination. Again, what is his imagination that he is 10 years younger? Okay. In any way, is this possible? At least in 2021?
ma'am.
No. So this is a fiction. Not realistic fiction, because realistic fiction something which is imaginable, but it can happen. Say for example, we have a mobile and we make a video calls. In future we might have a situation when we will be able to communicate, we can see people more better way. Suppose we throw a light and then we can see them or something like that. Okay. So this will be realistic fiction, which can happen. And science fiction is just imaginable and it's also unrealistic. Okay, that's why science fiction. That's nice. So you, I guess, maximum of your answers were correct. You can hear me, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you're not responding. Okay. I'm trying to read something on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
No, nothing. So Aditya, tell me, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
Ma'am, to talk with my friends, ma'am.
How this could be a hobby?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, to read books only, ma'am.
To read books only. However,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
one of the best habit.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, to see movies, ma'am.
Not see, you watch movies. When we there are certain verbs used for certain activities, right? When we wake up, we brush our teeth, we get dressed, we watch movies or watch cartoons. We drink milk. We don't say like eating milk, you know. So different verbs for different activities. And if I say that Aditya, introduce me to yourself, however, I know certain things about you now. But if I'm new to you and ask you that Aditya, introduce yourself and tell me something about you, how will you introduce yourself?
Ma'am, first I will tell my name and ma'am where I live, ma'am where I live.
Where do I live?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Mhm. You get confused between do and does.
No, ma'am, ma'am, some things, ma'am, I does not, I
I
can't
do
say.
not.
No, no, ma'am, when I see a people, ma'am, he's talking in English, ma'am, so I scared, ma'am, I can talk, ma'am, in lonely, ma'am, I can talk, ma'am, in influently, ma'am. But, ma'am, when I see person, he's also talking with me in English, ma'am, so I some scares, ma'am.
You get scared.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is out of nervousness.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
So there
get
is
that.
one tip from my side, because even I had this problem. When I was of your age and even little older to you. So I had this problem. I know how to talk in English. I could easily tell to them in English and with less grammatical mistake. But I used to get nervous. So one tip was given to me was that don't try to tell too much. Okay. And try to speak slowly. Like I asked you that tell me something about yourself. If you ask me this question that ma'am tell me something about yourself. I will go like this that my name is Priyanka Jha. I am from XYZ Plus. I am an English language trainer. I teach English and I will go on like this. But what is happening with you? The way you're speaking, I will just give you one glimpse of that. I'm Priyanka Jha. I'm an English language trainer. I'm coming from this place. It happens. It happens with everyone. It's extremely normal thing. So one tip is when you are nervous, speak slowly. Don't go fast. Because when we speak slowly now, we know what to say next. And when we speak very fastly, हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि आगे बोलना क्या है तो हम बर शुरू कर चले जाते हैं हाँ so go slow, no problem with that. You will also not make grammatical mistakes also. Alright. And now tell me, what are your hobbies and tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my hobbies, ma'am, is to read books and ma'am to travel with my friends, ma'am, in here and there about matlab, ma'am in the garden, ma'am. Ma'am, there's a
Okay.
park over here out of my house.
And you play with them in garden?
Ma'am,
Which games you play with them?
ma'am, cricket.
Cricket? And do you play football, basketball, volleyball? Nothing. So are you allowed to step out of your house?
Yes, ma'am, because there is a park, ma'am, or small park, ma'am. So, ma'am, our parents don't worry, ma'am, because there is, ma'am, just behind of 2 feet, ma'am. There is a
Me.
park,
Okay, it's nearby
ma'am. Yes,
and you
ma'am, most nearly,
most nearly.
mostly
Oh,
near.
okay. And this is your free time. This is how you spend your free time.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you used to go to school, how did you spend time there? When the classes are off, do you have
Ma'am, if our classes are off, ma'am, if teacher doesn't came, ma'am, so ma'am, our next teacher's duty is to, ma'am, study about maths.
maths?
Yes, ma'am, only maths.
Free period means maths.
Yes, ma'am.
My goodness. Do you love mathematics or you hate mathematics?
No, ma'am, I don't, ma'am, I love mathematics, but ma'am, not most.
Not very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you like English?
No, ma'am, I love likely most science.
So your favorite subject is science.
Science, yes, ma'am.
Why so?
Ma'am, in science, ma'am, bio and chemistry.
No, no, I'm asking that why so, which means that why biology is your favorite subject.
Ma'am, it is, ma'am, interesting.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am. It tells a story about some things, ma'am, of plant, on animal. Yes, ma'am.
So your knowledge increases with that. Correct? That's right. Okay. Can you tell me what is photosynthesis?
Yes, ma'am.
What is photosynthesis?
Ma'am, photosynthesis is a plant, ma'am, which gets sunlight, water, ma'am, on the plant, ma'am. So they make the food.
Correct. So they don't have their own kitchen, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is their kitchen
No,
process.
ma'am, they have kitchen, ma'am, not ma'am, the whole kitchen, ma'am, with the like their the whole shelves, ma'am. Ma'am, their leaves are their kitchen.
Yes, exactly. Their leaves are their kitchen, right? That's nice. So that means you are studying science. Okay. So one tip from my side to you. Okay, two tips actually. When you were talking, you were using the word ma'am again and again, again and again. Don't do that. Okay, just listen to yourself. At home, I will give you two questions. Introduce yourself or tell me something about yourself, and second one, your hobbies. Okay, it does not have to be very long answer. This will be a task for you, and you will self evaluate yourself. You have your phone, correct? Mama or papa's phone.
Yes, ma'am.
You will write down a answer, or if no, don't write down answer, just record what you are saying, correct? And listen to your own content, listen to your own voice again, and then point out the mistakes you are making, correct? So second thing which I found, when you are nervous you rub your eyes a lot, correct? Okay, so when you are nervous don't talk too much, ज़्यादा बोलने की कोशिश ही मत करना, ठीक है? तो out of nervousness we do not know what to say, so go slowly, talk slowly, so that the other person who is talking to you does not understand that Aditya is nervous, you know, because I am almost double of your age, I still get nervous. So you are just a 13-year-old kid, correct? So you will get nervous, no issues with that. Okay, now you will do that homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Aditya, your parents are there around? Your mama, papa, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Your mama or papa, anyone is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have a word with them?
Yes, ma'am. मम्मा एक सेकंड इधर आ जाओ. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So I had a nice session with Aditya. I analyzed him and assessed him. Are you comfortable with English, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Hindi.
ओके मैम, तो आदित्य के साथ काफ़ी अच्छा सेशन रहा। जैसे आप लोगों ने चूज़ किया था कि पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए जाए तो मैं जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही थी वही एनालाइज कर रही थी उसके बारे में। कुछ टिप्स मैंने उसको पर्सनली दिया भी है कि क्या है ना कि वो थोड़ा हड़बड़ा जाता है, नर्वसनेस वो हर किसी के साथ होता है, सिर्फ उसी के साथ की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो छोटे बहुत टिप्स दिए हैं। तो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी हमारे यहाँ पे अलग से करिकुलम बनाया गया है, जिसमें बॉडी पोस्चर कैसा होना चाहिए, सिचुएशंस में जैसे आप फ्रेंड्स के पास जा रहे हो, स्कूल में जा रहे हो या किसी गेट टुगेदर में जा रहे हो, तो आपने कैसे बात करना है, कैसे बॉडी पोस्चर रखना है, क्या बोलना है, कैसे खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस, मतलब सारी चीज़ें टोटल हम लोग उसमें कवर करते हैं, ठीक है मैम? इसके अलावा आपकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट थी, मतलब पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट ही मेजर फोकस था आप लोगों का उसके लिए?
हाँ, एक्चुअली इनकी इंग्लिश कह लीजिए है तो ये कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में वहां पे भी हिंदी बोलना मना है,
मुझे मैं
ठीक
खुद
है?
कॉन्वेंट से हूँ,
बट
मुझे पता है।
ओके, बट ये है कि घर में आप ये लोग बिल्कुल नहीं बोलते, तो और मैं कहती हूँ ठीक है, मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा फ्लुएंसी नहीं है, बट ये है कि आप बोलोगे थोड़े थोड़े वर्ड्स, आप मेरे से बोलो, सेंटेंस आप मेरे से बोलो,
करेक्ट।
है ना? आप भी सीखोगे, आपका जो यंगर ब्रदर है वो भी सीखेगा, है ना? लेकिन वही ये लोग करते नहीं है, तो उसमें ये अच्छा, इनका एक चीज और भी है, ये कुछ भी ना करके हड़बड़ा जाते हैं,
हाँ।
चीज को बिल्कुल परफेक्टनेस से नहीं दे सकते हैं। जैसे आज ही इनका स्कूल में एलोक्यूशन है, तो सुबह में मैम ने बोला कि ऑडियो बना के सेंड करिए, तो इन्होंने कहा मुझे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं लेना है, तो मैंने कहा क्यों पार्टिसिपेट नहीं लेना है? पार्टिसिपेट लोगे, सिर्फ
बिल्कुल।
गेम खेलने के चक्कर में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं लेना था।
हे भगवान।
फिर उसके बाद मैंने इनको जबरदस्ती पार्टिसिपेट कराया, और
अच्छा,
इनको ठीक है, मेरे को इंग्लिश बहुत नहीं आती है, ठीक
कोई
है,
बात
लेकिन
नहीं।
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता है, तो इनको मैंने थोड़ा सा पुशअप किया, और इनको थोड़ा कैसे बोलना है ये अब आपको मैं अभी दिखा नहीं सकती, अभी इनको भेजना है, तो इलोकेशन में ये सेलेक्ट हुए हैं, 150 स्टूडेंट्स में 20 स्टूडेंट्स का हुआ है, और 20 स्टूडेंट्स में इनका नाम आया।
तो
अब ये खुश।
आप खुश हैं? मतलब वो मतलब तो ये एक तरीके से अचीवमेंट हुआ ना उसके, जिस चीज
हाँ,
से भाग रहा है उस
भाग रहे
चीज
हैं।
में एक्चुअली वो अच्छा है।
हाँ,
तो
तो
फोकस के साथ अगर करेगा तो
और अच्छे से
एलोक्यूशन,
करेंगे।
डिबेट्स, एक्सटेम्पर, ये सारी जो एक्टिविटीज होती है ना, वो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को बहुत अच्छी
क्योंकि
कर देती है।
मेरा हिंदी मीडियम जरूर रहा, लेकिन डिबेट वगैरह में मेरे को फर्स्ट प्राइज मिलता था।
मैम लैंग्वेज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिमाग तेज होना
ये सारी
चाहिए।
चीजें मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छी थी। तो बस ठीक है, इंग्लिश की फ्लुएंसी नहीं है, मैं इन लोगों के स्कूल में पढ़ाती हूँ।
अच्छा।
आई एम ए स्पेशल एजुकेटर एक्चुअली,
ओह
विजुअल
ऑलराइट।
इम्पेयर्ड एंड मेंटल रिटार्डेशन चिल्ड्रन।
ओके ओके, आई नो स्पेशल एजुकेटर्स,
हाँ
डिसलेक्सिया वगैरह से जो होते हैं
हाँ
वो
हाँ
लोग।
जी।
ओके
तो वो क्राइस्ट चर्च कॉलेज में हमारा अलग से डिपार्टमेंट है,
ओके
उसी
ओके,
में ही मैं हूँ।
ऑलराइट।
तो ये सारी चीजें हैं, तो इनका बस मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि इनको बोलने का एक वे आए, बात करने का वे आए, कैसे खड़े होना है, कैसे बात करना
हाँ,
है ना, ये चीजें।
नर्वस हो रहा था बहुत ज्यादा,
नर्वस हो जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी।
तो उसी में मैंने एक टिप दिया था कि धीरे बात करो, जरूरी नहीं है कि बहुत
हाँ
तेजी में या बहुत कुछ बोलना है, कम
जी
बोलो पर धीरे धीरे बोलो। तो उससे क्या होता है ना कि आपने आगे क्या बोलना है वो हमें पता होता है,
जी।
तो मतलब गलतियां जो होती है ना कम हो जाती हैं
कम
उससे।
हो जाती हैं। अच्छा मैम, इसके चार्जेस क्या होंगे, कुछ आपको
आ,
पता है, आइडिया?
नहीं, हमें ये कुछ नहीं पता होता,
अच्छा,
वो कॉल
ओके
जाएगा आपको, एक
ओके
एकेडमिक काउंसलर कॉल देंगे, कॉल
ओके
करेंगे सॉरी,
ओके।
और वो इसके बारे में आपसे फर्दर बात करेंगे। ओके मैम,
थैंक यू
नाइस
सो
टॉकिंग
मच,
टू यू मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you,
मैम।
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
थैंक यू आदित्य, बाय बाय।
Bye, ma'am.
एंड यू विल डू दैट टास्क।
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, इसको एक टास्क दिया है मैम, देखिएगा कि ये करें।
ओके मैम,
ओके, बाय बाय
थैंक यू, बाय
Bye,
बाय।
ma'am.
बाय।